How to log in to BB University. So if you want to log into BB University, then first go for the search bar and search for BB University login. And once you've searched, you can simply scroll down and choose the bbvirtual.com, which has that student login. And now to log into your BB University students portal, first you need to enter your email on the first blank. So enter your email address and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go for create account, which is here, so that you can create your account. But if you already have an account, then simply enter your email and password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for reset now so that you can reset your password or you can recover your account. And once you enter your email and your password, you need to simply click on login. And once you click on login, it will log you into your account on BB Virtuals. So that's it. That's how you log into your BB Virtuals account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.